Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my learning video. So first of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Arvinaiti Kahendayani and I'm from ICT in ELT Class E. So today I would like to explain to you about recount text. So what is actually recount text? Recount text is a text that telling the reader about one story, actions, or activity. Its goal is to entertaining or informing the reader. When you tell about the events that happening in the past, it means that you make a recount text. And how to make a recount text? To make a recount text, you need to learn about the language features of recount text itself. Language features of recount text, there are 5. The first is using the simple past tense. The second is using actions verbs. The third is using adverb. The next is using adjective, and the last using a chronological connections. The first, let's discuss about the simple past tense. So what is actually simple past tense? The function is to express something that happened in the past time. The formula is subject plus verb to plus object or the complement. And the next is using actions verb. One function of verb is to explain about the subject is doing. Well, the verb that explain what is done by the subject is what we are familiar with the term of actions verb. The example of actions verb is like arrive, eat, fall, call, go, dance, and so on. The next, let's discuss about adverb. An adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verb, adjective, and other adverbs. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of the actions. There are two kinds of adverb. The first is adverb of time and the second is adverb of place. The first adverb of time is indicate time or frequency of the actions in the sentence. For example, like yesterday, tomorrow, today, and others. And the second about adverb of place is indicates place or directions of the actions in the sentence. They answer the questions where is the actions performed. For the example like my house, at the garden, in the school, and so on. The next is about adjective. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example like red, quick, and happy. They are all adjective because they can describe the things. For example, like a red hat, the quick rabbit, and a happy duck. And the last is chronological connections. Chronological connections is to connect one event to another event. For example, like first, second, next, then, and others. Read this recount text and can you find verb to or the past form? As you can see in this example of recount text, you can see the underlying words. It indicates the verb to or the past form. And the next, recount text also has a following generic or schematic structure. The first is orientations. It gives the readers the background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happens, and when it happened. For example, like the writer went to the Italy. And the next is event. Event means that a series of events ordered in a chronological sequence. For example, like he visited a museum, he sat in a public garden, he got up early and bought 37 cards. And the last is reorientations, or a personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. For example, like I was very happy in my last holiday, and you can see this example from orientations, event, and reorientations. You can read it by yourself, okay? So thank you so much for your listening and your nice attentions, and goodbye.